Hey! The ancient city of Ijebu will be agog again. All roads lead to the Afin Awujale of Ijebu land for installation of the third Asiwaju of Ijebu in recent history by Awujale and paramount ruler of Ijebu land, Alayeluwa Oba Dr. Sikiru Kayode Adetona Ogbagba II, who now the car feet. It's no other person than a business mogul, philanthropist, and former chairman of Sterling Bank PLC, Alhaji Dr. Sulaimon Adebola Adegunwa OFR, as he will be installed as Asiwaju of Ijebu. And since a bird does not fly with one wing, his wife, Haji Fatima Adegunwa, will also be installed as Yeye Asiwaju and Arabake of Ijebu. The ceremony will be performed by Kabiyesi Alayeluwa Oba Dr. Sikiru Kayode Adetona, the Awujale and paramount ruler of Ijebu land, at the Afin Awujale on Saturday 27 April 2024 by 10 in the morning. Alhaji Dr. Sulaimon Adebola Adegunwa is the founder and chairman of SA Holdings Limited, parent company of Right Foods Limited, a former chairman, Manufacturers Association of Nigeria, Ogun State branch. Come one, come all.